Mark with Arrow here. Wanted to talk to you today about a little bit about our serviceability of our trucks. We've got our 2018 Chevy G4500 Type 3 Arrow ambulance. So here we have our custom designed center console, and in any of these Type 3 cab over style chassis, you've got to be able to remove the console first in order to gain access to the doghouse or engine compartment. So I'll show you how easy that is on our trucks here. All you have to do is pull these two releases, lift up on the console, pull back. Everything's nice and clean under there. Also has our custom engineered wiring harness. So everything is going from the rear to the front. There is no wires that come from the front to the rear, and then allows easier access for the console to be removed and nothing in the way up front on the floor here. Then in order to remove the doghouse, pull these couple panels off of here. Pull these clips up and pull back. And then you've got your access to the motor. So this is going to make your mechanic or anybody who services your ambulance, it's going to make their lives a lot easier just to have that simple of access and not have to work around any wires or harnesses or anything else on the floor here. To learn more about what makes our truck unique and makes your job easier, visit our website or feel free to give us a call.